All right, and here we go on the tutorial of the urinary system. So remember, the urinary system doesn't have a lot of structures in it. It's a filter with some pipes that lead to the outside. So that filter is the kidney, and here it is right here. This is a cross section of one, and then this is one from the outside. So notice some people called it looked like an orange almost. But these little things in here, there's millions of them in each of your kidneys. They are called nephrons. And the nephrons are actually the things that do the filtering in the kidneys. So the whole goal of the urinary system is to filter your blood, which is why you can see there's a vein here. And then let's see if I can get some red. And then an artery here. Okay, so as you're coming from the heart, as the blood is coming from the heart, it goes into the kidneys, and then it gets filtered. The blood that comes out of the kidneys after it's nice and clean continues down to the rest of the body. And then after the blood drops off the oxygen and it's coming back to the heart to go to the lungs, it's coming back this way, it goes up, and then it goes through the kidneys again. So it makes a second pass into the kidneys to be filtered twice. So your blood is actually filtered 2 times, once away from the heart and once to the heart. Remember that the word renal means kidney, just like the word pulmonary meant lungs. Again, renal means kidney. So the blood gets filtered through the kidneys and specifically through the nephrons. The nephrons catch all of the waste, which is called urea, also known as uric. There I am connecting my R and my I again. Uric acid. Okay, so all of that waste that collects in the kidneys gets mixed with water that's in your body and becomes urine. And that urine goes down the ureters. Okay, so because you have 2 kidneys, you have 2 ureters. And then it dumps all that urine into the urinary bladder. Remember, the word bladder just means to hold something. So there's a bladder in a basketball because in the middle of a basketball is air. So anyway, when it's ready to be sent out of the body, it goes through the urethra. So ureter, urethra. I know they sound very similar. And again, it's from the word urea, which is why they both start with the UR. But just remember ureter and then urethra. So there's really just 5 parts of the urinary system if you include the nephrons. So you have the kidney, that would be 1. Nephrons would be 2. Ureter, 3. Bladder, 4. Urethra, 5. And that's it. So the whole goal of the urinary system is to filter the blood. It filters the blood and removes all of the things that your blood doesn't need, whether that is toxins, so things that are bad for you, or if you've ever heard of the saying, too much of a good thing isn't good. If you're taking vitamins or some sort of supplement and you're taking too many, the extra will be filtered and will get stuck in your kidneys and become urine. Remember, your body is always trying to maintain homeostasis. Homeostasis means equilibrium. So it wants your body to have just the right amount of things in the blood. And if it has too much of something, that'll get stuck in the kidneys. So that is really it for the urinary system. Again, there are just 5 parts. The kidneys, the nephrons, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra.